going on, Elko family? Last week, your boy got lucky. Don't got to take the engine out, so didn't quite know what to get into this week. So did a lot of drone shots and some driving. But yeah, let's get into it.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy!
Noticed some drips under the Elko when we were leaving breakfast, so had to go home and address that. Luckily, it was just the fitting for the transmission lines. Tightened that bad boy back up and was good to go. Ended up being like 92 degrees this day, so you know we had to keep the boys cool.
Yeah, Louie. Louie don't like it.
Since I don't need that rebuild quite yet, I figured it was time to go give the government the money I owe them and get this thing registered. Ordered a custom plate too, that'll be here soon. With that out of the way, I spent the rest of my day practicing with the drone. I've low-key been studying to become a licensed drone pilot. Let me know what y'all think of the shots in the comments. I know I need to stop eating like, but boy, the golden arches were calling me. And also, nobody told me snack wraps were back. Definitely got 2 of those.
Gotta be honest with you, tastes like
What it do, nephew?
Got my nephew together with a little photo shoot, then it was time for all of us to slide down to the Macker in downtown Belding. My other little sister couldn't make it this time, but we still pulled up on her boyfriend. Shout out Jared. But after that, it was time for us to go handle some other things. And by other things, I mean explore this half-vacant little strip mall. It was definitely a little creepy in here. Only one shop is really open in the entire building. After exploring a bit, we decided to head back to the house. But first we had to make a pit stop and go hit up the hardware store. My sister's fiance had to fix her exhaust on her car, and we had to saw off a couple bolts, so.
There's a lot going on over here today.
Didn't record everything we did, but best believe we got it all knocked out. Everybody knows Sundays are for cruising, and I wasn't about to let that air quality stop me. Well, I look like shit, but my Elko doesn't, and neither does my house. It's all cool for me. Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino. Peace.